I get asked a lot about the RiverWoods difference. And for me, it means we don't take the easy way out. There is always a discussion of how we're going to do things. Sometimes the decision making is slowed down by that, but we seek dissenting opinions, put those together, and what we come out with is the best possible decision, the most informed decision, and that comes back to benefit the organization.
So we are relentlessly focused on residents, and each resident has the ability to live their life the way they want to live it, and we are there to support it, to support that life, to make it easier, and to provide community and peace of mind. What motivates me is I know my work is changing lives. I know people are less lonely, more healthy, and happier because they come here.
Well, we're a nonprofit charitable organization, and so that informs a lot of our decisions. Primarily, it's about who's at the end of the decision. For us, a shareholder is not at the end of any decision we make. A stakeholder is, a resident is, a person is at the end of every decision we make. And I don't know, I kind of think that leads you to make better decisions than if a dollar sign is at the end of every decision. We still have to make smart financial decisions, but we think about it in the context of who we're serving, why we're serving, and what our mission is to serve. I get teased a little bit here because my pet slogan is "Be Better," and for me, that's it's not be perfect. No, we're not. We work in a human business with all kinds of humans, so you're never perfect. But we're relentless about advancing and about improving and about being better every day, whether that's in how we serve our residents and whether that's in the number of residents we serve, or whether that's about the opportunities we provide our staff to continue to learn and grow and serve. It's as an organization, we're not done. We're never done. And I think that's kind of a cool place to work, and I think it's kind of a cool place to live.